As kids, all it takes is a box and some imagination to start that next big adventure. As adults, we never quite lost that imagination. But we did create a better box. Meet Oru Kayak, a box. Or as we see it, a voyaging sea vessel waiting for its captain to take it out on its next big odyssey. This is a kayak that fits. Because the more places you can fit your kayak, the more places you can take your kayak. And while other people might just see a box, we know you imagine a destination. And while other people might just see a river or a lake or an ocean, we know you see a playground just waiting to be explored.